So much chocolate! Yeah!
I'm Crystal. This is Brent. And this is Evie. We're a small family from a small town with big dreams of adventure. Subscribe and join us on our small town adventures.
Hey everybody, we have just left the Daintree. We've spent 3 days up there exploring and having a look around there, and now we're heading over the range and up to the Tablelands, and we're going to spend a couple of nights at Tinaroo Dam. So looking forward to that, getting the tinny in the dam and doing a bit of fishing. The Daintree was really lovely. There wasn't too much open yet, I guess because of COVID-19. They're still slowly starting to open. So if you can, pack up and head up there and give them more of a reason to open up sooner. You'll really love it. Isn't it funny? Yeah, at the dam. Yeah. It leaks. Distillery.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice little bar they got here, and very nice strong tasters.
Yeah.
Navy strength gin,
Smoked
whiskey,
gin.
yeah, smoked gin.
Yeah. Bit different.
And they were coming.
There you go. Hello. Do you see the animals? Yeah.
Okay, come here. Come here. Come to me. Ah! It's alpaca. hurt me.
Like a camel. Off to Coffee Works. Coffee and some chocolate. Yum. They have heaps of different varieties there of coffee. Get
It's more the
some-
Crystal's side of taste testing.
Yeah, whiskey for Brent, coffee and chocolate for me. Perfect. Get some coffee and some chocolate.
She likes the animals.
Yeah. Little baby.
Little baby in his pouch.
Aren't you cute? You reckon, darling?
Oh, what will it be? You might need a little bit
I
of
don't
that.
think she wants you to pat it with her baby.
Oh, it's
You don't
gone.
have food, I'm off. You're useless.
Rock wallaby.
So we're at Granite Gorge Nature Park. It sort of looks like it's National Park when you turn off on the way here, and then you get here and it's actually owned property and they make you pay to go for a walk. It's like 13 bucks per adult, and then you know, you buy wallaby food, so you're feeding the wallabies, and they have all these birds and lizards in cages back there. So I don't know how I feel about that, but it's very pretty, it's very beautiful. I just don't know how I feel about someone owning it and making you pay for it and making you feed wildlife, but something to do. Hey honey.
Kill a bit of time.
Yeah. Show Evie the wallabies. Definitely Granite Gorge. Give it to buddy.
cinnamon flavour. Yeah, very smooth.
A bit of fudge. Evie and I got chocolate fondant and apple pie. Really good. So we're just outside Emerald Creek Ice Creamery, and it is delicious. If you come up here, you have to go into the ice creamery. They have 40 flavors. I had apple pie and chocolate. Yeah, it was good, wasn't it, Evie? The apple pie was delicious. And Brent had cinnamon and it tasted like a donut. So stop in, well worth it. The last morning of our trip. Time to pack up, head home. Such a nice morning. And it's not raining. Yay!
Unfortunately, the holiday has to come to an end. We're going to make it back to Bowen today, hopefully. We're just going to push through and get home tonight and give us a day to clean up, and I'm back to work tomorrow.
Yeah, about 5 hours to get home, so hopefully Evie makes it. And we hope you liked coming along with us on our trip. Like and subscribe if you did. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Join us next week for some high-speed fun at Peter Faust Dam. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Small Town Adventures.